Hi guys! Now we are heading to Dukurpani. So I will show you what is in there. So let's go! Hi guys! Now as you can see, nandito kami sa sasakyan. So papunta na kami sa destination namin. So update ko kayo ulit mamaya.
So guys, right now we are heading towards Dukurpani. I don't know what's in Dukurpani. So we will catch you there in Dukurpani. So let's see. We are heading with our uncle and auntie. Hope we will enjoy Dukurpani.
So just stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, we'll go to the entrance. Sa mga gusto magpa-selfie dyan, there meron silang selfie point. And eto, actually hindi ko alam kung paano siya basahin. Pero some people, Nepali out there who can read this one. So let's go. Here we are waiting for the lift. We are going to visit. So guys, kakalabas lang namin ng elevator. Grabe. First time experience, biglang namatay yung elevator. Sobrang kabado ko. So ito na siya. So pakita ko sa inyo yung beauty. Ay, makikita nyo yung paligid ko. Ang ganda niya. Pag nandito pala siya, sobrang ganda, no? Bahay, medyo hiwa-hiwalay siya, saka marami siya. Most, nung nakikita nyo yung green, siya, rice field. So, rice field siya. So, hindi siya totally city kasi hindi siya populated. It's not too much populated. Unlike to the, city. Like this one is newly built, so wala pa masyadong aircon, medyo mainit pa, tapos tulad nga nung sabi ko kanina, yung elevator nag-stuck pa siya. So nakikita natin siya. Samahan niyo ako ulit mamaya. I feel hot, but I'm not same like my husband because he born in hills, and I am, for the people that know me, I am from the city, so I'm used to it. So I'm not that too much sweaty, but I've been living in the hills now for a month, like 2 to 3 months right now. So I miss the coldness, but this kind of hot weather, I can still bear it. So guys, now update lang. Now we are exiting Dukurpani. So yung mall na sinasabi nila. So, ito siya. Bali, under-renovated pa lang pala siya. So, yun. Tapos na yung pag-check namin. So, ito na siya. Tapos na kami. So, we go to the next stop. Okay, let's go. So, ngayon guys, dito sa exit, kung makikita nyo, dito, beside that, there's a fountain over there. So guys, makikita nyo. Siguro pag pumunta kayo, mas maganda pumunta kayo ng gabi or hapon. Kasi medyo maaga kami nakapunta. Kaya ito pa lang yung makikita nyo. Saka sobrang init pa. Siguro pag medyo makalumim na, saka kayo pumunta. Siguro mas maganda siya lang. Lightning, fountains, and everything. Siguro doon nyo siya makikita. Wrong timing na siguro yung pagpunta namin. So sa mga balak pumunta dyan at mag-visit, try nyo pumunta ng hapon or gabi. Okay guys, now next stop is in the shopping mall. They called it Bat Batan.
If you come here in Bat Batani, you can skateboard as well.
Okay now guys, ngayon nakauwi na kami dito sa tinutuluyan namin. So I hope you enjoy the video, and for my subscribers and viewers that still watching me until the end of this vlog, thank you so much, and please stay tuned again and wait for another vlog because hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang ating tour dito sa Nepal. So please subscribe, share, and like. For now, ito lang muna yung vlog, ito lang muna yung video ko. So bye!